invincible, all you niggas too short for me. Y'all a bunch of babies, them you niggas are too soft for me. I don't know needs to hear this, but don't play with my name. I am godlike, so please don't say it in vain. I got old industry heads who want me to fade, but look at the niggas they praise. I am so fucking amazed. All these niggas sounding the same, like saying AKA and having to spell it backwards again. Watch how I'm coming again, bitch, I'm a knot on your face. How you say I'm burning bridges, I ain't needed no feature. Couple shooters with me, nigga, take you out of the picture. Or you think that I fell off cause I ain't trending on Twitter. I still pull numbers like I'm a lottery ticket. Who the fuck is a gimmick? They just made, I ain't needed them, I did it myself. Fuck therapy, my heart broken, I'll fix it myself. I did it myself, I don't talk to nobody, bitch, let me keep to myself. The way I came in the game, I was like an unplanned baby. I ain't got time, I think I'm timeless, baby. You know I'm the smartest, baby. Fuck rap, I ain't rapping for rappers. I come with a lot of bangers. I pray to God it saves ya, I pray to God it spares ya. They ain't co-sign me, but I'm making this noise. Just say it if you don't love me, what you faking it for? I know you're praying I fall, but I'm not going at all, huh?